Hey, today we are going to discuss about specifications of the Honda Pilot 2024 in a short form. Before diving into the specs, please subscribe to our channel. The estimated price of this car is $37,090. Engine 3.5-liter V6. Max power 285 horsepower. Max torque 262 foot-pound force. Gearbox 10 speeds. Mileage 22 miles per gallon. Drivetrain 4-wheel drive. Wheel size 18 inches. Length 199.9 inches. Width 78.5 inches. Height 70 inches. Wheelbase 113.8 inches. Seating 8-seater. Airbags 8, body colors 5, the pricing according to the models. LX $38,465. Sport $40,975. EXL $43,775. Touring $48,275. Trail Sport $50,175. Elite 53855. Before moving forward, let's focus on the US sales chart for 6 years till the month of October 2023. Specifications. The Honda Pilot pulls off a maximum towing capacity of 5,000 pounds for all-wheel drive models. Front-wheel drive Pilots manage 3,500 pounds of towing. Being a family-friendly SUV, the 2024 Pilot's cabin is designed with that use case in mind. All models are capable of sitting up to 8 in the 3 rows, but the EXL trim can be had with optional second-row captain's chairs that reduce passenger capacity to 7. Captain's chairs are standard on the Trail Sport. The Touring and Elite models come with a second-row seat design where the middle seat portion can be removed and stored under the floor in the cargo area when not needed. Honda boasts that 8 of the Pilot's cup holders can hold big 32-ounce water bottles and that its cargo area is more voluminous than ever before. There's reasonable cargo space with all 3 rows of seats up. We fit 6 carry-on-sized boxes behind the 3rd row, 2 more than we could stuff into a Kia Telluride. A 7.0-inch infotainment touchscreen and an accompanying 7.0-inch digital gauge cluster are standard on the Pilot. Honda's latest infotainment interface is easy to use and features both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Trail Sport, Touring, and Elite models get a larger 9.0-inch infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. The Elite also comes with a 10.2-inch gauge cluster. We hope you have enjoyed this video and got a lot of information from this video. Before the end, please subscribe to our channel. Take care.